Samsung users, we have a great news for you guys. Samsung have started rolling out One UI 9.2 beta update for Samsung S26 series. And you guys need to apply it fast because there are always limited slots. So in this video, let me tell you guys how you can apply for One UI 9.0, which is based on Android 17. So here you can see I have my Samsung S26 Ultra and I'm already downloading the update. You can see the update size is 3760 MB. The applying method is quite simple. Make sure you are running the latest build. I think Samsung S26 series had April build. So if I show you the build which I am running currently on this device, so this is the build number, which is 2AZE2. Make sure you are on this current build on your Samsung S26 series. After that, you just open the Samsung application and slide these banners. On I think around page number 12, you will see One UI beta program. From here, you just have to scroll down and you should see an option beta program home. Tapping on it, you will see One UI 9 S26 beta. I've already joined. If not, you'll get an option to join. And once you're joined, either you can check the update from here, like check for the software update. You can see I'm downloading the software update, or else if you don't see that thing over there, just come to the settings page and tap on software update section. You should see an OTA update of One UI 9.0. So here you can see One UI 9.0, and if I scroll down, tapping on all the changes with One UI 9, we are not seeing much of changes in the UI. Like they may be doing some more changes with the upcoming updates, as it's a beta 1 update for India, and for other regions it's beta 2. Usually this is how Samsung does, like they roll out the first beta in other regions, and from second beta we start receiving the beta builds of that particular version. So if you take a look at the changes, they have given more customization options in the quick panel, Samsung Dex enhancement, some changes in the notes application, more settings in the game booster panel, location access transparency, discover new accessibility features, physical keyboard shortcuts, mouse key enhancement, replace swipe up with single tap, select to speak, improve talkback update. So I'll talk about all these changes in different video. This was just a quick video to show you guys how to apply One UI 9 beta program. And as I told you guys, you need to register faster or else the slots will be full. Meanwhile, if you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.